Thank you for inviting me. It's a pleasure to be here. My name is Michael West. I am a candidate for a circuit court judge. I think in this particular election there's one thing that is critically important and one thing only, and that's experience. Not just experience as a lawyer, but circuit court experience. I have been a St. Clair County circuit court trial attorney for the past 30 years. I have tried hundreds of cases at the circuit court level. That is jury trials, non-jury trials, criminal felonies. That's all of the heavy-hitting stuff. I have also tried hundreds of civil cases. In the circuit court jurisdiction, that's where the major civil cases are heard. I have been involved in that kind of work for the past 30 years. It is also family court. What that really means in the circuit court division, that is divorce court. I have been a divorce attorney specialist for the past 30 years. I have tried and handled every kind of case imaginable at the circuit court level. The reason that I think that is critically important is because the decisions that are made in circuit court are life-changing. I have literally held people's lives in my hands because of the seriousness of the case that I might happen to be representing them on at any given particular time. It is an awesome responsibility. It is not something that you just walk in and take over without any background. Because of my work, I have developed an excellent reputation in the legal community. That's something that you have to earn. It is not something that is handed to you. People have asked me, after 30 years of being a successful, great attorney in this community, why do you want to run for circuit court judge? Well, it's kind of a three-part answer. The first part is it's been on my radar screen for a long, long time, and I've made no bones about that. Secondly, I have been encouraged to run for this position by many people. Many sitting judges, many retired judges, many of my colleagues. They have all watched me work. They watched me work in the courtroom, and this is a courtroom lawyer's court. And the judge that needs to preside in that court needs to have a courtroom background. I have it. I have 30 years of that background. So those individuals have encouraged me to run for a long, long time. And the time has now come where there's going to be an open seat on the bench, and that's the open seat that I'm running for. Lastly, the reason that I'm running is it's kind of an opportunity for me to get back to why I became a lawyer in the first place. We all have a vision when we go to law school as to what we think the law is about, and what we think the administration of justice is about. And then you actually get into the practice of law and you find out that it's not exactly the way that you thought it was when you first started down this particular path. Things get twisted and distorted and they get bent. That is sometimes a problem. By doing what I want to do now, which is become a circuit court judge, it gives me an opportunity to get back to that wholesome part of the law that caused me to be a lawyer in the first place. I see this as a natural, logical progression of where I am as a person and where I am as a lawyer. After 57 years of life experiences and 30 years of legal experiences, it's the best possible thing that I can do for my community is to give all that back to you as your next circuit court judge. Thank you.